Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your camera in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Brave browser on your computer. Once you have it up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your window. You'll notice three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on that icon and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your browser. Now, once you're on the settings page, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical panel with different categories listed. Click on Privacy and Security. This section is where Brave stores all the important controls related to your browsing privacy, permissions, and security features. It's the hub for managing how websites interact with your device. Next, within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see an option labeled Site and Shield Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This area allows you to manage permissions for different site features like location, notifications, and of course your camera. It gives you granular control over what each website can access on your device. After clicking into Site and Shield Settings, you'll be presented with a list of different permissions you can configure. Look for the option that says Camera and click on it. This is where Brave manages which camera your browser uses when websites request camera access. It's particularly useful if you have multiple cameras connected to your computer, like an external webcam or a built-in laptop camera. Once you're in the camera settings, pay attention to the top of the page. You'll see a drop-down menu there. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal a list of all available cameras connected to your device. Each camera will be listed by name, making it easy to identify which one you want to use. Simply select your preferred camera from the list by clicking on it. Once you've made your selection, Brave will automatically use this camera whenever a website requests camera access moving forward. And that's it. You've now configured which camera Brave browser will use for video calls, streaming, or any other camera-based web activities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.